Maria and Jacob, I love you and miss you both very much.
Kelompok Kriminal Bersenjata pimpinan Egianus Kogoya dinilai buat kesalahan karena menyebar foto dan video penyanderaan pilot Susi Air, Kapten Mark Mehrtens. Kapolda Papua Irjen Mathius Fakhiri mengungkapkan keuntungan yang didapat aparat keamanan dari tindakan KKB itu. Sebab dari foto dan video tersebut, aparat jadi memiliki petunjuk untuk mencari keberadaan Philip. Selain itu, aparat mendapat gambaran tentang jumlah senjata anggota Egianus Kogoya tersebut. Menurut Fakhiri, tindakan KKB itu bagus sehingga aparat bisa membaca secara cermat dan teliti yang merujuk pada mudahnya menentukan di mana sasaran mereka. Sebelumnya, juru bicara Tentara Pembebasan Nasional Papua Barat-Organisasi Papua Merdeka, Sebby Sambom, memberikan update terbaru mengenai kondisi pilot Susi Air, Mark pada Jumat 10 Maret kemarin. Ia mengklaim kondisi Kapten Philip baik-baik saja. Sebby Sambom juga memberikan sejumlah foto dan video Kapten Philip. Dalam video dan foto yang diberikan tampak Kapten Philip mengenakan jaket biru diapit oleh sejumlah anggota KKB.
Thank you so much for your video message from you and all your love and support from yourself and the rest of your family. It meant a great deal and I was grateful to receive it. Tim, I can't thank you enough for going to be there with Maria and Jacob to help support them. I've been really worried about them and it's a great relief to know that you're there helping them. With that, can you please try to arrange for any salaries owed to be paid directly to Maria so that they have money for food and bills? And if you're there, can you please use my Mac so that if there's any timely, this could go on for a long time, so if there's any timely emails, please respond to them as you see fit. Maria and Jacob, I love you and miss you both very much. I think about you every day. PM, I've been instructed to read this statement. No foreign pilots are permitted to work and fly in Papua until Papua is independent. OPM requests the United Nations to mediate between Papua and Indonesia to work towards Papuan independence. OPM will release me after Papua is independent.
Tuntutan kami, TPNPB, Buat 3, Dugama, Darami. Selandia baru segera bahwa konflik bersenjata di Papua, TPNPB dengan TNI Polri ini ke Dewan. Latih tentara dan polisi Indonesia. Putuskan kerja sama militer. Selandia Baru, Australia, Inggris, Amerika, Prancis,